If you're going on an extended vacation, you're going to want to take these steps with your refrigerator. First thing you're going to do is empty all of the food contents in both the freezer and the refrigerator compartment. Turn off your refrigerator, close the water valve, empty the ice bin, make sure that there is no extra ice that is in the ice bin that hasn't dropped yet. Make sure all of it's cleaned out. Wipe down your refrigerator, clean it, and wipe it dry. Now, prop your doors open with either a sponge or a piece of rubber, something about this size, so your door won't accidentally shut. And you're going to do the same thing down here in the freezer compartment. So close it. Make sure your flipper mullion is not interfering with the other door. There, you should be all set for vacation.